Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, I do.
All right. Okay. For my technique, I use only 4 type of handcuff. Wait. Hey. 4 types. For type, first is buy, second, sell, third, EF, and 4 down. Only this kind of handcuff that I use. Easy. But we plus with structure. Do you recognize this structure?
Yes. Engulfing cell, it needs to break out, come back into engulfing cell, like smiley face, sad face.
Yes, this one for sell, this one for buy, right? Okay, first, second, and third one. The third one is EF. Okay, 4 types of EF and structure. This structure we will be used from M1 until monthly.
So every time frame.
Every time frame. Every time frame you need to see this kind of structure.
Okay.
Okay. This one you clear?
Yes. Yes, I'm clear.
Okay.
So it's like the protocol, you'll need all of them, or just like every one of them you can see it?
Depends on the market. Sometimes the market will give you sell setup, buy setup, or engulf set EF setup. Depends on market. But you will use this kind of structure inside the chart. Depends on the setup.
Okay.
So we go to structure. Structure. Okay. Okay, what we need for this kind of structure? What we call this?
Well, you call it like your sideways. The price has to break
Yeah,
out
sideways.
and come back in.
Sideways. So for this kind of structure, you need have sideways. This one is very important lah. Very important. Sideways. Then
Now, what about engulfings that will be engulfing buy and the next candle right after goes back into the buy zone? Is that valid or no? You need a few candles to form it.
sorry.
Say you have an engulfing buy, two
Okay.
candles into engulfing buy. The
Okay.
third candle price comes right back into engulfing buy zone. Is that considered sideways? You can use it because it broke out, or
Okay.
no?
Okay. That one you can consider is sideways because you can how to how to tell you you can precise the zone. Not precise the zone. You can go to lower time frame to see the sideways.
Oh, okay, okay.
Uh, then one more need to parallel side by side.
Okay, can you
Side by
show
side.
like a chart example by what you mean by that?
Wait, I will explain to you side by side. Okay, I draw for you. Let's say okay for the best structure need to be like this. side by side. But
Okay.
market will be not giving you same like this. Right.
Oh no, I was gonna say, so it has to go fully in the zone. You won't
Yes,
take
fully inside.
just touch the zone.
Closing by what is I mean, you need to this one closing inside the zone.
Okay, so the candle needs to close inside the zone. Okay.
Closing but side by side. Some I'll give you more example. Some price they only give you a shadow, right?
Okay.
If if the EG give you like this, the probability to return back to the zone is high.
Okay.
Because I this one it's not it's not parallel, it's not by side. Then price will be how to call it
Price will
it's
what,
not
sir?
going it's not going very far. If
Okay.
the price like this, that's this sorry for my English. If the price going like this, so it's not going too far. We bounce back inside the zone and closing inside here.
Okay.
Okay, later I will show you in the chart. Do you have any question about this?
Does it matter how far in the engulfing it closes or no? As long as it closes in the engulfing.
Uh the second one. You need to closing inside the zone.
Yes, yes. But does it matter by how much or just the
I
fact that it closed in the
is it
zone?
is it a matter? Is it a matter?
It doesn't matter?
Yes.
Okay.
Just need to close it inside the zone. My
Okay.
my 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 technique is very simple.
Understood.
Okay. For the next structure is EF structure. Okay. For this kind of setup, you need EF, then DOM plus EG. This one is complete SOP. Complete SOP because you already have EF. When the price going back inside here, many of us always entry here, right? Hello
Sorry,
again.
repeat that. Many of us what?
Entry here. Put
Okay, yes. Yeah, we
entry
enter
here.
there.
Correct. This kind of setup only have EF and DOM. Do not have EG. So what will happen
It'll
if you
fail.
don't wait for EG?
It'll fail.
Yeah, it will fail or will take this zone because some of the candle will be give you a shadow, then closing inside here.
Okay.
Shadow. You have seen in chart the price make like this.
Okay.
What do you mean by okay?
Well, I don't know what DOM is,
Okay,
so
DOM.
I'll wait till the chart to see examples.
Okay, DOM is DOM has two types. Two type of DOM. First is break with just one candle. Then other one like this. Two type of DOMs. DOM. Which one is DOM? This one that break the zone. The break this zone. EG cell. EG cell zone then break becomes DOM. Then EG cell becomes EF.
Okay, I'll need to see a chart example to like fully understand.
Okay. Never mind, never mind.
So a DOM is just what breaks like an engulfing bi or engulfing cell to make it an EF.
Yes, correct.
But are there rules behind it or anything like that?
No, there's no rules.
Okay, I'll wait to see in the chart because I still like have some questions.
Okay, no problem. So the 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 important things, this setup you must complete the SOP first. Then you can entry. If you not wait for the EG, the setup will be high risk. High risk setup.
Okay,
Then you want to low risk, you wait for EG. This kind of setup based on one time frame.
and what do you consider your higher time frame?
This structure just make you example. Later I will go you which time frame you need to entry, which time frame you need to monitor your Roblox, which time frame to direction.
Okay,
Okay. Then we go for direction. Okay, for direction, which time frame are you using?
higher time frame?
High time frame. Which time frame?
Monthly, weekly, daily, H4?
Okay. For me, monthly, weekly, and daily. But the first, the important thing is these two, monthly and weekly for direction.
Those are your important ones.
Yes. Do you use tree setup? Tree
Do I
setup
use what, sorry?
SOP? Tree setup SOP.
Yeah, normally
Tree
it's
setup, tree time frame.
H4 engulf. I normally use
Sorry.
H4 engulfing, and then when price comes back
Okay.
in, I look for H1 engulfing, and when price comes
Oh,
back into H1, I look for M15 EF and EG for confirmation.
okay. Same like me. Tree, not SOP. Tree time frame setup SOP. Okay. For swing, we will use monthly, weekly, daily.
So that's
Weekly,
for your swing trading.
daily. Sorry.
So this is your swing trading.
Yes. Intraday.
So swing trading is like a few
Daily.
days to a week, right?
Sorry.
So for your swing trading,
Can,
it's a few days to a week.
yeah.
Okay.
Daily. Daily H4. H1. For scalping, Okay. For my trading, I will use H4 is my last zone for
Your what,
entry.
sorry?
My last zone.
Your what?
Last zone.
Okay, what are you gonna use that for your last one?
H4. H4.
No, no, no. Can you just repeat that? So
Sorry?
can you repeat what you said?
Okay. I will use H4 is my last zone.
Oh, like your lowest zone.
It's not my lower zone. Yeah. My lowest zone and my last zone. H4. H4 will be my last zone.
Okay, what do you mean by your last zone?
Okay. Later I explain to you. Okay.
Oh, okay. Is that what you? Okay, all right. So this is you're referring to your swing trade right now, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yes, okay.
Okay. For me, the first zone is for what? The first time frame.
For your direction?
Yeah, correct. This one is for direction. So your direction will be weekly sell to weekly buy, correct?
Yeah.
So that is your direction. So for the medium time frame, for what?
Weekly, daily, H4, H1.
No.
Daily to
That's
daily?
that's one is for setup. The medium time frame, what is function? What you looking for in the medium time frame?
Oh, on intraday, H4?
No.
Or oh, you're referring to direction.
Okay. The first time frame is for direction. So the medium time frame for your block and your TP.
Okay, so like if you're scalping, your direction would be your H4,
Okay.
but then H1 would be your roadblock and your take profit.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, that makes sense.
The second one will be your precise zone. Because of what? Weekly, daily. So from weekly, you need to break the daily zone. If not, what happen? If not, cannot. If the CMP cannot break daily zone, what happen to this?
It's gonna retrace
Yes, going to the case. Because of what?
because of the roadblock.
Okay, first because roadblock. Because why it return to weekly back?
Because what happened to the weekly time frame?
Okay. Inside weekly we have
You have like
we
daily?
have we have daily. We have daily zone. We have daily zone. This one I call it storyline, direction and storyline.
Okay.
Okay, what happen? It cannot break, then it will return back. Then if it have set up easy to easy, then price will be going down. So this time kind of setup will be EF setup, right?
Okay, yes. Okay.
Okay, you can see it needs to go daily to daily first. Then the price will go to weekly. After it reach to weekly, then the CMP will consider need to break down or to fly back. Depend on CMP.
Okay.
Okay. For the last zone, for what?
Precision, I guess, or entries.
For your entries. Status confirmation. Do you have any question about this kind of direction and storyline?
So when it comes to swing trading, I can use weekly, daily, or H4, or monthly, weekly, daily, either one.
Depends on you. Depends on you. We can use intraday setup. You can use scalping setup. You can use swing setup. For me, I will use swing setup. I will use direction from swing setup.
Okay.
Okay. Last one is your setup. Okay. You already know about this one. EG to EG.
Yes.
How do you use EG to EG?
Well, if you're going to enter EG buy on, say, the H4, it should go to the next EG sell on H4.
Okay. Okay. For the first setup, there have two kind of setup. The first one will be uh long waiting. The second one will be sharp entry. Which one you want?
Sharp entry or watch entry? Late entry?
One sharp entry, one late entry. Or you want me to briefing just to this kind of two?
Can you discuss the two, I guess?
Sure. Okay. The first setup, this setup will be late entry. Late entry, and you will be miss entry. Because of what? You need let's say you wait for daily setup. This one left eye already have EG. Then you need wait for this right EG. Right, correct. You need to wait for EG here. So you need to wait for EG daily to perform.
Okay, so you
How
need
long?
another daily EG in the daily zone.
Yes. How long you want to wait
Not
to
long?
EG? How long?
Usually not long.
Seriously, not long. Let's see. Wait, what happened? Okay. Hello, hello.
Yes, I'm here.
Sorry. I just clear my recent tab that I clear Zoom also.
Okay, no problem.
Uh, Too many things. Okay, I'll show you. Let's say you wait for daily setup. Okay. Okay, this one is easy daily. So you need to wait easy to perform. How long you going to wait?
Oh, you're gonna have to
See,
wait like a few days.
first you touch the zone, second, third, fourth, and 5 days. Correct.
Okay? Yes.
5 days. 5 days you need to wait. Then after you have this, then you can entry. When the price put back inside here.
Okay.
Uh, this one will be your late entry and you depends on the CMP. Other than this, let's say like this, the price never return. So how you want to take entry?
Well, you missed the entry then.
Yes. So this the first setup don't recommend to you lah.
Okay.
Which can will be late and you will miss entry. So the second setup that I use, first of all, you have left easy. So you wait for the right easy. So for my kind of setup, this one is daily setup. From daily, I precise my zone to H4.
Okay.
So I take on the left zone for H4 zone.
Okay.
Left, mm, left easy on H4 zone. Then I
Okay.
remark like this.
So you're precising, like you're shrinking it. You got your
Yes, correct.
H4 in your H1 or in your daily. Okay.
Yes, correct. So which kind of setup that we use? 3 time frame. Daily,
Um,
H4.
no. So if you go, you precised H4, so I'm assuming H4, H1.
Correct. So we will use this kind of setup. Daily
Okay.
H4, H1. So from H4, we wait for H1,
Your
H1 what?
EG, EG cell.
Confirmation.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what is the confirmation? The confirmation are the structure. What kind of structure? You need to wait for EG to EG, this kind of structure, or EG to EF. Okay, this one for
So that's what we're waiting for.
Yes, correct. Okay, for this kind of setup, you will get sharp entry, but you must monitor your route block. Because of what? You already precise to H1.
Okay.
Okay. If EG to EG H1 already complete, we will pop EG on H4. So to complete daily EG, H4 need to have EG to EG or EG to EF. Then daily we form EG. Do you understand?
Yes, I'm pretty sure I understand, but if I see it on a chart, it would like make it sink in.
Okay, okay. Let's go to chat. It's not chat. Which setup you want? Buy or sell?
Either one, whichever you can see example.
Uh, the first one, buy or sell? We can go. You going to buy or sell? Which one
Right
you
now,
prefer first?
prices, you're
Which
looking
one you prefer? Which one you prefer? You want to see buy setup or sell setup?
where price is right now, buy setup.
Okay, buy setup. The price buy setup. Okay. For weekly, we precise to
To daily?
so we will use weekly, daily, H4. So
Okay.
we have weekly, then we precise to H4 daily. So you see daily before that we search for this buy.
Okay, you're looking for that buy first. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Inside inside the zone, which one you want to take?
Well,
Which
there's three dailies that you can take, or four dailies that you can precise. No?
okay. First, second, third, fourth. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, which one you want to take?
I don't know which one would you take? Because you can precise them all. It's the whole zone, no?
Okay. It's kind of crazy if you want to mark all this kind of zone. Right. So for me, I will first I will look for EF because EF is reversal signs. Correct.
Okay.
So we have one EF and two EF here. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. When the price going inside here, why the price break the zone?
Why did price break the zone?
Yeah.
Because it never created the EG buy, I guess. Is that why?
Okay. Okay, that's one is correct. Why don't the CMP take here or here
I
or
don't know
here?
why.
Okay, because if you learn asset now before, when the price before it makes new breakup, it make new zone like this, the price will take the new zone.
Sorry, repeat that. So when price creates an engulfing,
Okay, before it break the zone, right?
yeah, before it breaks the zone, yeah?
Okay, before it break the zone, it make new support, new EG before it breaks.
Oh,
So
okay,
the
okay.
price, so the price will take the new EG.
Okay, and it's always the most recent one right before creating the EF?
Yes,
So now what about the one inside the EF that you see right above it?
this EF
The one right next to it in the zone?
in the zone before it breaks. Before it breaks, this one already break.
Oh, okay, okay. I see what you're saying.
Okay, so it
Okay,
will take. Okay,
okay. Yeah, go ahead.
so then we mark this zone.
So you always look for your EF first, and then the
Yes,
engulf right before it breaks the EF.
yes. If you don't want use like this, you can go one time at a time. So you can go for this EF first. Okay, we go for the first EF. EF, then we go daily.
Daily or H4?
H4, sorry, my bad. So what you looking for inside H4?
EG buy?
Yes, correct, easy buy. But for me, I precise the zone again for my last zone. So inside here we have two zone. One EF, another one is EG. Correct.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, you can see. So when we make like this will be what setup?
Uh, like, what do you mean, what's setup? Like,
Okay, we already have H4 zone. We already
yes.
precise to H4 zone. So what kind of setup that three setup we use? Three setup, three time frame, three times setup.
Oh, like the H1 M15?
Yeah. So this setup will be H4, H1, and 15. So you have H4 zone, H1 Roblox or TP, then M15 for your M3. Correct.
Okay.
Okay. So from H4, I jump all the way to M15 for looking for my first entry. Okay, this one. To buy, you want to buy, what structure you want to use? This kind of structure. So you look for only these two structure. From here, we only have one EG.
What
Only
about
have
all the
one.
inside the zone?
Yeah. When the press break the zone, press came back inside the zone, have EG by.
No, it didn't.
No. So you cannot use this sign. So now it give you what?
Gives you EF.
EF for.
So
Then we go sell. Break the zone. Back inside the zone. Make for EG or EF. Then you can entry now for sell. If buy setup, don't have buy setup. So we go sell. Okay. Another zone. Below EF. I delete this. Same. You want the price closing inside the zone, right? Correct.
because that's your H4 zone, right?
Yes. You want the
Okay.
price closing inside the your zone. You see? When it close inside your zone,
Yes.
what it will give you? This one is
EG buy.
Ichibai. Hmm, wait, I change color first. Go for what? Ichibai. Then okay, this do not closing inside the zone, and it not parallel. You see what I'm saying?
It's not closed in the zone. I see that. Yeah.
Yeah. Then the roadblock cannot be break.
So you need it. So to confirm the direction for your
Okay.
entry, you need
Okay.
an EG and an EG in the same zone.
Yes, correct.
Okay. But the EG needs to close in the zone, not just touch it like it is now.
Yes. Like I say, if the price are not parallel like this, the price cannot go further.
Okay, because you want it in the zone. Okay.
Yeah, the price cannot go further. Then price going back inside here. So when the price going back inside here, what are you waiting for here?
You're waiting for an EG buy.
Yes, EG buy. So have EG buy inside here.
No, you don't.
Then why must buy we buy? Then we go sell. Sell setup we have. EF.
Okay, so you got your two EFs.
EF, EG sell. Then we sell. So the first zone on daily, the first zone on daily, we take this daily light.
Okay, so you're looking for the EF on the daily.
Okay. So when you precise, this not have any setup for buy. So you wait for the next zone.
Okay.
Then you same again, you precise the zone. from daily you precise to H4. Inside the box you precise. So inside here we have one EF, correct?
Yeah, got one EF and one EG.
Yeah. Then I will prefer the EF first. Then if the EF break, I go to the EG.
Okay.
You can see here, the price go zone to zone from H4 to H4 zone. This one, after it breaks, it give you EF here, correct?
Yeah, once it breaks, yeah.
Yeah. Then sell to buy zone to zone. So inside here, same. Go for M15 for your entries. So your first entry will be inside here.
So you're in your H4 zone right now. So aren't you
Yes.
supposed to be looking for EG buy, EG buy?
Inside the H4 zone.
Yes, aren't you looking for EG buy, EG buy?
Yes, we looking for EG buy to EG buy or EG to EF.
EG to EF.
Yes, EG to EF meaning this structure. EG to EF.
And then you're entering on the EF or when it comes back to the EG?
Depend on the CMP. Depends on the market. If the CMP give you EG to EF, then you go for EF. If a CMP give you EG to EG, then wait for EG to EG.
Yeah, but how would you know though? Because say price plays out right now, you've got your EF, you've got a very big EG.
Okay, first of all, when the price go inside here, you need to wait, wait for after it perform. Let's say it already break here, so already have EF and EG,
Yes.
correct? Then you wait for EG.
Oh, so you need the EG and EF to form, and then you just take the next EG.
Yes.
Oh, okay, okay. Now, does it matter if the EG forms in the EF or below the EF?
It doesn't matter because CMP when the lower time frame give you EG buy or EG to EG, the higher time frame will form EG at H1. Let's say this one is M15. So H1 EG will form.
Okay. So basically, you're like waiting for your H1 EG and then entering on your M15 EG.
Yeah, if you wait for EG on H1, I think you will be miss your entry because of what? let's say we go for H1 zone. Let's say you don't want to entry on M15. We go for H1. So you see H1 here. When you will be entry, you will be entry on only have EG. Correct.
Okay. Yes. Your H1 EG.
You need to wait EG to EG. Then when it perform, this will be your entry inside this zone. If you precise to M15, you wait for M15 to form. You already have entry inside here.
So you're better off just going to the M15,
Yeah,
waiting for the EF to form, and then just take the first EG buy.
yes, correct.
So what if you go back to your M15 to that example you showed, do you get filled when price comes back into that M15 buy? Or do you just wait for the candle to close above the previous candle, EG formed, you buy right there?
Okay, when you already entry here, inside here, right?
Yeah, because you got your EF, you've got your EG, price
Okay,
comes down and it forms that first red candle EG.
this EG.
Yes.
Okay, correct. You can entry here. When the price come back inside the zone, let's see what we have in here.
So you have an EF again.
Yes, we have an EF. Then it give you EG.
Okay, so do you need to wait for price to come back into that EG to take a trade? Or do you just take it on the closing of the green candle that forms the EG?
Depends on you. You want go to high risk entry or you want to low risk entry. Depends on you.
So low risk entry would be if price comes back to it.
Yeah, the price going back and form EG. Then you can trade your trade.
Okay, and then where would you put your stop loss?
For me, I don't put my stop loss.
So how do you know when to cut the trade?
When it breaks the zone.
Which zone?
Okay. For me, for low risk, low risk for two, low risk for your cut loss will be this zone.
Your EF zone, okay?
Yeah, my EF zone or EG zone on M15. If
Okay, so you're better doing the
uh
EF to give you more breathing room.
sorry?
So it's better to set your stop loss below the EF because it gives you
Yeah,
more
correct.
breathing room in the trade.
Yeah. Or you
Okay,
can go medium risk. Medium risk, break your H1 zone or go high risk. High risk. Break H4 zone. Depends on you.
so high risk will be putting your stop loss outside the H4 zone.
Yes, correct.
Why would that be high risk, if you don't mind me asking? Because
Why
it's a
will
big
be high
stop.
risk? Okay. let's say you put 20 pips from the zone. This your zone,
Yes.
H4 zone, 20 pips.
Okay, 30 pips from your H4 zone, yeah.
This one is 20 pips. 20 pips.
Okay, yeah, we got 30 pips, yeah.
Okay. If you already enter here, right, inside the zone, let's say price go until here. You already floating 80 pips.
Okay.
Okay, if you go here, 90 pips, then you going back up. It rebounds back. From here, it rebounds back up. You're already floating 90 pips. If your account do not strong enough or enough margin, what happened to your account?
Yeah, you blow your account.
Yeah, that's why I say high risk.
Oh, okay, okay. So higher risks, more floating, basically.
Yeah,
Okay. So when it comes back in the refine, so you draw your weekly zone, you refine your weekly zone with your daily zone, and then you
yes,
refine your daily zone with your H4 zone.
yes, correct.
When price comes into your H4 zone,
Yeah,
you're looking for EG buy to create an EF, and then you take the trade on EG buy again,
yeah,
and you trade from H4 to H4.
yeah, correct. Well, my first of all, I try to be H4 to H4 zone. If H4 breaks, then I will hold my position.
Okay, so when price comes back into the H4 zone, you're basically waiting for the protocol to play out again. Is that correct? So you're
Yes,
going to wait
correct.
for an EG sell to break an EG buy, and then you're going to enter on an EG sell M15. If that happens, you cut your trade. But if it doesn't happen, you still hold your trade, same stop loss and everything, till the following H4 zone.
Yes. So now we going for this one. Already have best buy setup. Then we go for
Sell setup.
sell setup. Okay,
And you're
same
saying
like
this is like a good protocol for like low risk, right?
yeah. This what I trade.
This is what you trade? Okay.
Yeah, I
Do
show
you
you what I
trade
trade.
do you trade all pairs or just gold?
Only gold, only gold. Because before this 2 years or 3 years before this, I trade all pairs, but I cannot to how to say to you I cannot monitor all. I cannot entry all. If I entry on gold, then I will be miss out on other pairs.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's why I focus on just one pair.
Okay. And do you trade news or do you stay out of the market on news?
I trade news. I trade news like yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday had
Do you have
what
any
CME,
any? Do you get sell setup?
where current market price is right now?
No, no. Yesterday you get the sell setup inside here.
Did I get sell setup yesterday? No.
Yeah, this from here. Sell from here. It give you 400 pips.
Can you do the analysis for yesterday's sell just so we can
Ah,
see, for example, please?
sure. Okay. If you see here on the daily already give you easy to easy. Then give you another EG. For buy already have give you EF. But when the price came back inside the zone, let's say I make this green for buy, purple for sell.
Okay.
Okay.
So you
For
had your buy EF,
okay,
buy
for
EG.
yeah. Then we have buy EG here. Okay, for the complete SOP for EF, we need EF, DOM, then we need EG, buy. Correct.
Yes.
So when the price don't give you, CMP don't give you EG buy, then instead give you EG sell, then you must focus on
EG sell.
yes, we focus on sell
So you dropped from daily
from
to
daily to H4. You can see here, H4 already have given you E F.
okay, so it gave you your EF on your H4. Okay.
Okay, because this one is new setup, I don't watch on M15. And then watch on M15. I just go to M5 or M1. If news, only news, then I will go for this.
Okay, but if we're learning, we shouldn't do this then.
Yeah. Okay. Because we already have okay. Daily give you sell. H4 giving you EF sell. If you precise to M15 zone, then you will get EF. This EF.
Oh,
So
okay.
the this zone only takes you how many pips? Only 11 pips. If you entry here, let's say you entry here, will be you MC?
You there?
You yeah. If you entry here, your account will be MC or not?
It'll give you MC. What's MC?
MC, a margin call.
Like if you were a buy there, yeah, you would have.
No. If you sell here for high risk setup for 11 pips, 11 pips, this zone, will you be MC?
No, you won't.
Then why not entry
Because it's
here?
11 pips.
Yeah, because daily already give you sell, H4 already give you sell, H1 also, M15 sell. Then if you're watching my notes, when the price is sideways like this, sideways and spike is spike up will be for sell. Is spike down will be for buy. If
Okay.
you see my notes inside the groups.
Okay, yeah, I'll have to do that when I'm more advanced.
Tak apa, apa? It's okay. Slowly takes.
Okay, so can we do more examples of the one you recommend then? So you got your weekly zone.
Yeah. Wait, we go for weekly bags. Okay. Delete. Okay. From daily, for weekly, then we process to daily, then
Okay.
we take daily zone.
And you're using that zone because of there's no EF, right?
Yes, correct. Only, okay. Let me ask you, what function we make this box?
What do you mean, what function?
What function make?
Oh, like
Okay.
what created it? You had your
What
EG set.
purpose? What purpose we make this box? This box.
Well, that was your weekly zone.
Okay. What purpose? What is the purpose? We want when we mark the zone, we only want to focus what inside the zone.
Cells.
Focus inside the zone.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So when price, let's say the price this price is on outside the zone, correct?
Yes.
So that I don't see this. So I will take this.
Okay, but what about the other one that did create inside the zone?
This one.
Yes.
Okay. If you're before this you already learned about zone. Okay, this is your first zone. First zone. If you want to what we call it, when the price come here, only touch the zone, will be the same. Like I explain to you. EG to EG.
Okay, no, I'm referring to refining. You won't use that zone to
Refining.
refine?
No. I don't really inside here. The first one.
Okay.
Okay, because we want this rate. We want to take this rate. We're looking for this kind of cell. Then after that we go here.
Okay.
Okay, from daily, then we go S4.
Okay.
Okay. What is you looking inside here?
So you're looking for an H4EF.
Yes, correct. So the first one will be here.
So you're drawing your weekly zone, you're precising it to your daily zone, and then you're
Yeah.
precising your daily zone to H4 zone.
Yeah, correct.
Okay. Precise to H4.
Precise to H4.
Looking for EF.
Then before it breaks the zone, uh, after it breaks the zone, it makes another
Before it breaks the zone, it creates
after
EG.
after it breaks, they make another EG.
Oh, after it breaks.
Yeah, this one already complete SOP. We have EF, we have dominance, and we have EG.
Oh, okay, okay,
Ah,
okay. So
okay.
you're looking for that complete SOP in your
Yeah,
finance.
it depends on market. Depends on market. If you complete SOP, then nice lah. If not, you need to wait. So you already have H4 zone. Then we process to M15 for your
Entry.
entries. Okay. First, it give you
EG, EF.
first one. We go for okay. It give you EG to EG. Then give you yeah full SOP. EG to EG have EG, EG to EF.
Okay, now the only thing is that EF,
Mhm.
you drew an EG inside the EF, but the EF wasn't formed yet.
The EF doesn't form yet.
So you can still use that?
Sorry.
EG? So you got your
Okay.
EF, you've got your EG, then you've got a EG cell inside the EF zone before it broke. That's still
Okay.
valid?
Okay. Let's say you want to sell here, right?
Okay,
Okay, you want to sell here. So this kind EG buy needs to break.
okay,
Okay, needs to break. Then of course you can hold your sell if you already sell here EG to EG. Needs to break first to hold your position on sell. Because if this setup already have EF, there's a mini want to reversal.
okay. So you need that EF.
Yeah, you need to it form EF. Need to it breaks here. If not, it will go sideways. Breaks here or here.
Okay, so it creates the EF, it breaks,
Okay.
and then you're taking the EG inside the EF.
Yeah. If you want to wait, also can. You want to wait EG here, or you already want to high risk entry because already have two confirmation EG to EG, EG, EF, reversal sign. Then wait for EG. Depends on you. I already have here EG to EG. Then I just entry.
Okay, and then your target will be the next H4 zone?
Yeah, I will target next H4 zone. So from H4, then we go to H4. Because we don't have any zone inside here. So this is considered dominance. Dominant zone.
And why is that a dominant zone? Like, what?
Okay. Meaning dominant, lower time frame has EG inside here.
Okay, but how do
From
you know?
okay, let's go. We go H1. See? Have EG.
But then won't every green candle be or like, every candle can be considered a dom if it has a lower time frame EG,
Yes.
no?
Yeah, correct. Can be considered as a dump. So H1 you already enter here. So H1 setup, H4 setup, H4, H1 and 15. You entry on N15. So H1 will be your roadblock. Correct.
Okay, so DOM is just like your roadblock, basically.
Yes, correct.
Okay. And then when price enters the roadblock, you're looking for the M15 protocol to happen again to retrace.
Yeah, same. So you already have H1 zone. So inside here, you need to it breaks the zone if you want to hold your cell here.
Okay, but it doesn't break the zone.
Yeah, it doesn't break. So you wait on and still the same. M15. Mm, still the same. Wait for M15. Give you to buy or sell. You see like this, price already give you for sell setup. Correct.
Yeah, I gave you cell setup.
But when the price go back inside here, did it make EG sell?
It broke it, so it became
Yes, it broke. And it makes
EG
EG,
buy.
EG buy. So which one you want to focus? Buy or sell?
You want to focus on buy.
Yes, then buy. Then you going buy first.
But don't we need to wait
Until
for the EF and EG to form?
it depends on the market. If you want to wait for EF, also can, but you will miss your entries
Oh,
because
okay, yeah, yeah.
already
'Cause you're saying earlier it could be EG and then another EG inside the EG, or
yeah,
EF, EG, and then you buy the EG.
yeah, correct.
Oh, okay, okay.
Then you
Okay.
buy here until when? Until H4 zone. This zone. So same. You must wait for the same kind of setup. You already had EG here. So wait for it give you
Your EG and EG.
yes EG to EG. Then it perform you EF. Many roblox you need to wash because of what? You see here?
Yeah, all the roadblocks.
The roblox, the dominance, all the roblox.
See, why
Also,
is that a DOM? Because you're already on your H1 roadblock.
sorry,
Why is that a DOM? Because you're already on your H1 roadblocks.
it depends on you. You want to mark, you don't want to mark, also can. So just wait right here. You have to EG cell, EG buy to EG cell. EG cell already give you EG to EG. Then give you EF. Which one you want to follow? EF or EG buy? EF cell or EG buy? Which one is stronger?
the EF?
Yes, because of reversal sign.
So always follow the EF because of the reversal sign.
Yes, correct. Right. So,
Okay.
so target to H4. Which H4? Okay. First of all, we have this H4. Second, we have oh, second we have the lowest one, H4. Sorry. Yeah. Delete, delete, delete. I don't want to confusing you from daily. From daily here. So
Yeah.
we have another dominant. Dominant zone. Clean. Go to H4 back. You see the price? Go inside here. Take dominant.
Because of the H4 EF?
Yes. H4 EF. Zone by
Okay.
zone first. Zone by zone first. You can take this D zone, EF zone first. EF.
So you start with the higher time frame to see where price is coming from,
Yeah.
and then it's just zone to zone.
Yeah.
So like if we just were to hop on a chart right now, the weekly is already played out. So
Yeah.
for us to look for entries, we need to go to like what, the daily, refine it into H4, refine it into H1, and look for M15s?
Yeah. Because I say to you, my last zone is H4, so I don't refine to H1.
Okay, so you'll just daily and refine to H4, and then when price comes in, you're looking for your M15s.
Yeah, correct.
But even if you just draw H4 to H4, you're still looking for your M15 protocol to take it to next H4, H1.
Yeah. Next to H4. So now price will be sideways for this week before it return back to ups. From here, we will be sideways on H4, going up or going down. Then both, then going up. But depends. Because yesterday already have big impact, so price will be sideways.
So you're not going to look for any entries this week then, I guess? Or?
Uh, depend on setup. If I already have EF, then I will go EF, go entries. So my EF will be here. EF, nothing. I focus on sell. Already
But
have.
what about all the other EGs and EFs already taken place? Because there's so many. So why those ones?
Okay, for me, let's say you already see here. This one is not break yet. Let's say, mm, let's say if the price make EF buy inside here, but do not have EG buy, then I will not buy because this zone still valid for sell. It did not break this zone. This zone do not break. This EF also do not break. So I just focus on sell. Hello?
Yeah, I'm just trying to understand.
Try to understand. Okay. Uh, okay. This is our zone for sell. Correct.
Oh, because it was an EG buy that broke, is that why?
Yes. Already broke here.
Okay, so it's an EG
So
buy that broke, yes. So that's your
okay.
EF.
Okay, already have EF. So when the price go inside here, make EG buy or EG buy or EG to EG, EG to EG, and then it doesn't break this EF, I still consider sell. You understand me?
Um, Not really, but so you have your
No.
buy that failed, you've got your EF. So while price is in there, because, but I mean, like, you've also got protocols for EG buy that's played out already, no?
Yes. The the CMP already give you EG buy here, right? CMP give you EG to EG buy, but your your sell zone doesn't break, doesn't not break. So which one you want to focus?
You mean it doesn't break to the upside or it doesn't break to the downside?
Doesn't break, of course lah. Upside,
So, because I never broke upside, you're focusing on sell because it's still valid?
yes, correct.
Okay.
So now we wait for uh, okay, no, you can take sell here because already break down, give you EG sell, then EG sell again, so many EG sell, EG
And then
sell,
you're targeting next H1, right?
yeah, this one,
Okay. So your first zones always stay valid zones.
yeah. You see on H1, there's nothing EG,
Yeah, there's nothing.
EG buy. So focus on sell.
Okay.
I think because you only only start a few months before this. Only for 4 months, right?
Yeah.
It's okay. You take it slow. Take it slow because
Yeah,
you
I
need
guess I
to.
just need to like try and focus on how you do it because I'm not used to doing the
Yeah,
precision, all the rules and stuff, right?
yeah. That's why I told you to read the notes and watch e-video inside to you understand. Then when I explain to you, it's a little bit hard for me if you don't understand because my English are not that good. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
But if you have any question, any doubt, then you just ask me inside the Telegram.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, I'll go through the notes more and
Yeah.
understand like by putting it together. But okay. And then all your trades are like they swing trade examples or no, they're just everything.
I trade from weekly. I trade my direction from weekly. Then I precise to H4. Then go follow the direction.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna yeah, read through the notes, watch the videos, and then later on, like when I think I understand, are we able to do like another like Zoom call to make sure or
Sure, you can send me your screenshot or your anything your question. Just ask me. Then I will try to provide you some answer.
okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay. Sorry if you do not understand that much.
Yeah, hopefully like the notes like really
Never mind. Next session we will go further.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Eugene.
Okay, take care. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Excuse me. Bye.